Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today's video is going to be really short. We are just here to say thank you to you guys for sticking with us throughout 2021. Happy New Year, guys. And we are also here to tell you what our prospects for 2022 is going to be. So guys, this year you're going to be seeing more of me on the channel. So if you are a homebody like me, well, this year we're going to change that. I'll be bringing you a lot of restaurant reviews, what to expect when you visit the restaurants we bring to you, their prices and the various food they have and all that. We'll also be bringing you guys some exciting videos like food challenges, and then we'll be bringing some people to the channel as well. So you need to stay tuned for that. I promise you, don't tell anyone. It's going to be really exciting. And then we'll be having a lot of food challenges as well. And guys, we want you to come on board with us, so let us know in the comment section if there's anything that you want to see on the channel, and yeah, we are ready to listen to you and bring it to you guys. We love you like that. Thank you so much for everyone who shares our videos, for everyone who likes, comments. We are so grateful to you guys, and to all our subscribers, we say thank you. This year we want to grow more with you, and we want more views on our channel. It's not easy bringing content to you guys, and that's the only way you can help us out. Keep sharing, keep liking, and keep commenting. I'd like to say a very big thank you to Comme Lab for sponsoring today's video. They are into branding, cinematography, digital marketing, and photography. So if you need their services, their number is going to be up here on the screen. It will also be in the description box down below with their location and all their social media handles. So you should check them out. They are really good. You can tell from today's video, right? Yeah, guys. We'd also love to collab with other YouTubers as well, so comment down below any of your favorite YouTubers that you'd want to see on this channel, and we might just bring them up here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sticking with us. Like, comment, share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.